Hi, I'm Kent Burreson, Associate Professor of Systematic Theology at Concordia Seminary in St. Louis. I will be offering this year a workshop in the summer entitled Treasures Old and New, a workshop on adult faith formation. I'll be offering this workshop with Dr. Rhoda Schuler, who is Professor Emeritus of Theology at Concordia University, St. Paul, Minnesota. This workshop will examine the impact and the potential benefits of a catechumenal process rooted in the early church process of making disciples. That early church catechumenate focused on catechesis that formed and shaped the lives of disciples toward faith in Jesus Christ. Many of those practices from the early church have been brought into the present day through the rite of Christian initiation of adults and through various Protestant forms of the rite of Christian initiation of adults. Those practices are very rich in developing a process by which Christians can be formed to live according to faith in the life of Jesus Christ. We think there are a lot of benefits to those processes, and we will rely upon pastors who employ an adult catechumenate to give shape to our workshop in conversation with them and with the kinds of things that they do in their congregations. We hope that this process and our analysis of it and our engaging with the practices that compose an adult catechumenate will be a benefit to those who participate in our workshop. So we encourage you to sign up for this workshop on adult faith formation, Treasures Old and New. We hope to see you this summer.